In this video, I will help you find the best noise-canceling headphones for autistic child in 2024. Links to all the products we mention in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. At number 5, we have Baby Bands Earmuffs, Lengdywear. Wearing Baby Bands earmuffs for extended periods offers a comfortable and effective solution to protect a child's hearing in noisy environments. As a parent, ensuring my child's comfort and safety is always a top priority, especially in bustling places like theme parks or crowded events. These earmuffs not only provide superior noise reduction of up to 31 dB, but are also lightweight, weighing just 124 g. The adjustable headband ensures a snug fit without causing any discomfort, allowing my child to wear them for extended periods without complaints. What I love most about Baby Bands earmuffs is their durability and quality. Priced at $34.95, they offer great value for the protection they provide. With a customer rating of 4.5 out of 5, it's clear that many parents, including myself, trust and rely on these earmuffs to safeguard our children's hearing health. So, whether it's a day out at a loud sporting event or a noisy family gathering, Baby Bands earmuffs are a must-have accessory for any parent looking to protect their child's ears without compromising on comfort. At number 4, we have National Autism Resources Comfort Wear Earmuffs, comfort for long periods. When it comes to ensuring my child's comfort and safety in noisy environments, the National Autism Resources Comfort Wear earmuffs stand out for providing lasting comfort during extended periods. These earmuffs are designed to offer a snug and secure fit, ensuring that they stay in place even during extended wear. The soft padding and adjustable headband make them comfortable for long periods, reducing pressure on the ears and head. This is crucial for children with autism who may have sensory sensitivities or struggle with prolonged exposure to noise. The National Autism Resources Comfort Wear earmuffs provide a noise reduction of 27 dB, helping to create a quieter and more manageable environment for your child. With their lightweight design and durable construction, these earmuffs are a reliable option for parents looking to provide their autistic child with comfort and peace in noisy situations. At number 3, we have Master and Dynamic MW65 Style. Step into the world of style with the Master and Dynamic MW65 headphones, where elegance meets exceptional sound quality. These wireless ANC over-ear headphones not only provide top-notch noise reduction but also deliver a sophisticated look that stands out. The MW65 headphones are crafted with premium materials like lightweight aluminum and fine leathers, giving them a luxurious feel that complements their high-performance audio capabilities. When it comes to style, the Master and Dynamic MW65 headphones are a true standout. The sleek design and attention to detail make them a fashion statement while ensuring that your child receives the best in sound technology. Whether it's for everyday use or special occasions, these headphones offer a perfect blend of fashion and function, allowing your child to enjoy their favorite music or videos in style. With the Master and Dynamic MW65 headphones, your child can experience both exceptional sound quality and a touch of elegance that sets them apart from the rest. At number 2, we have 3M Folding Earmuffs, Affordability. Interested in finding affordable earmuffs that offer great noise reduction for your child with autism? Look no further than the M-Folding earmuffs. These earmuffs provide a noise reduction of 25 dB, helping to create a quieter and more comfortable environment for your child. Despite their effective noise-canceling capabilities, these earmuffs are priced at a budget-friendly $12.77, making them a practical option for families looking to support their child's sensory needs without breaking the bank. The M-Folding earmuffs weigh 318 g, which is slightly heavier compared to other models but still manageable for most children. The earmuffs have received a customer rating of 4.1/5, indicating high satisfaction with their performance and affordability. With their simple yet functional design, the M-Folding earmuffs offer a cost-effective solution for addressing noise sensitivity in children with autism. Give your child the gift of peace and quiet with these affordable and reliable earmuffs. At number 1, we have Skullcandy Venue, Bluetooth range. Moving on to the Skullcandy Venue headphones, let's explore their impressive Bluetooth range feature that enhances the listening experience for children with autism. The Skullcandy Venue offers a fantastic Bluetooth range of up to 30 meters, providing freedom and flexibility for children to move around without losing connection to their devices. This extended range allows kids to explore their surroundings, engage in activities, or simply relax while listening to their favorite music or calming sounds. With this exceptional range, children with autism can enjoy uninterrupted auditory stimulation wherever they go, whether it's in a bustling park or a quiet corner at home. The Skullcandy Venue's Bluetooth range not only offers convenience, but also ensures that children with autism have a reliable and stable connection to their audio sources. This feature is especially crucial for maintaining a consistent and soothing listening experience, helping to minimize distractions and sensory overload.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. You can find the links in the description to all of the products we mentioned in this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.